I got some good knowledge for you today. I'm going to be sharing how to see the customer's tip before you even pick up the order on Earn by Time mode. So I'm on my third order right now. I started my shift at 11:45. It's a Sunday shift. My first order was Dunkin' Donuts, Earn by Time. I seen the customer didn't tip, but my completion rate is 90%, so I couldn't cancel. So I took one for the team. I got paid about $3 and change. Not worth it. But kept me busy for that first 15 minutes. And then as soon as I dropped that off, I got a Grubhub order for $20. So I accepted that. 1 minute later, I got an add-on for $15 Grubhub. It was the same restaurant, same customer. I was a little skeptical. Maybe they placed the second order by mistake. Once I got to the restaurant to pick up the orders, I spoke with an employee and I said, hey, it looks like they might have ordered twice by accident. Did they call or anything? And she actually told me, yeah, they called. They wanted 4 burrito bowls instead of 2. So they ended up placing a second order. So you know what I'm thinking? Perfect. I'm going to get all this money. Easy money. My favorite type of money. Easy money and free money. But ain't nothing free in this world. So I dropped off both of those Panchero orders, and then I ended up making $38 for the first 38 minutes. Hopefully I can make $60 per hour for the whole day. I doubt it, but one could hope. So after I dropped off those Panchero orders, I got a Doordash Earn By Time offer from Robex. So I'm about 5 minutes away from the customer now, 4 minutes actually. I did check this order. There's a $5 tip. Always nice when you get an Earn By Time offer and the customer tips. Can't beat that. But enough talking. I'm going to take care of this order and I'll update you guys soon. Alright, so I dropped off that Robex order. Customer tip $5 like I said. DoorDash paid me $6.66, which was a little alarming, but it's all good. It's all about perception. After I dropped off that Robex, went back to my main work zone. I was about 7 minutes away. As soon as I got back to my main work zone, I got a Chipotle order, DoorDash Earn By Time. So I accepted that. It was only like 4 miles. After you accept the order, you're going to want to click the 3 lines at the top. And then once you click the 3 lines at the top, it's going to show you your pay for your shift. And then it's going to say this offer. And then it's going to have a amount next to it. So after I accepted this order, I clicked the 3 lines. I checked this offer section and it said for this offer, the amount was $3.50. So that amount there is the customer's tip. So this customer actually tipped $3.50. So that's definitely going to make this order worth it. So I'm heading on into Chipotle now. Let's take care of this order. This is how we do. I took care of that order, and then I headed back to my main work zone. Grubhub sent me $11 order, so I accepted that. They sending me another order. We'll get to that. So after I accepted the Grubhub order, DoorDash sent me an Earn By Time offer, so I accepted that just because it was going to a better location. After I accepted it, I checked the customer's tip, and it was an $8 tip. So that's definitely going to pay more than the Grubhub because it's going to take over 20 minutes. So that's at least $4 plus the $8 tip. That's going to be at least $12. So I canceled the Grubhub. Now they're trying to send me another order. Too late, Grubhub. Alright, so I'm about to pick up this DoorDash. It's another order from Chipotle. That's gonna bring me close to my home. So I'm probably gonna take my lunch break after this. Now I'll work more tonight. This is gonna be a quick little video just covering my lunch shift. So we'll recap after I drop off this order. Alright, we just dropped off that last order before my lunch break. Ended up being about $14. Got that $8 tip. And then DoorDash paid a little over $6. My math was off. I said I would get at least $4 from DoorDash. It was actually 6. So I apologize. Luckily, I'm not teaching y'all math right now. Alright, so that was $14. I think we at like $71. I'll put the final numbers on the screen once I add it all up. But yeah, I think it's like $70. And we worked, it's 2:10 right now, so we started like 11:50. So that's 2 hours 20 minutes. So we made like $70 in 2 hours 20 minutes, which is great. That's like $30 per hour. So if you only do DoorDash, let me know how the summer's been for y'all. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoying y'all day. Thank you for watching the video. If you ain't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support the channel. I appreciate all the support. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Mr. Hustle, out. I guess I